Hi, it's your boy Francis, and I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress URL and site address URL so that they can work correctly according to your preferences. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to set up some of the most important WordPress settings so that you can get started with WordPress properly. So stick around. You are so welcome again, my dear subscribers, and if you are new here, make sure to click the subscription button and the notification button next to it so that you are notified whenever a new video is uploaded and you never miss a thing. So head over to settings, general settings. Okay, click on general settings, then type in your site title, your tagline if you have one, then your WordPress address URL. So you have to type in just like this. After these two slashes, you type in www. the name of your site. Type it correctly. Even this side, make sure there is this www, make sure it is there. So you're saying enter the address here if you want your site homepage to be different from your WordPress installation directory. So you enter it there and fill in all these other details according to your preferences. Then press save. Click the link below to get access to my free ebook on how to start a blog. You're also welcome to visit my website in the link if you are interested in getting the latest tips on growing your online business. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and to watch the next video. See you there.